Welcome, fellow seekers of the unknown. Before we set off on our journey through time and truth, unraveling the mysteries of the famed Loch Ness monster, we have a humble request. If you are excited about this adventure as much as we are, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts or theories, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us bring more fascinating content your way. On your screen right now, you should see the subscribe logo. Go on, give it a click, and join our community of mystery enthusiasts. Now fasten your seatbelts and let's dive into the enigmatic depths of Loch Ness. The adventure awaits. Have you ever wondered about the truth behind the Loch Ness monster? For centuries, this elusive creature has captivated our collective curiosity, emerging from the depths of Scottish folklore to become a global sensation. Nestled in the Scottish Highlands, Loch Ness is more than just a body of water. It's the cradle of an enduring legend, a mythical monster that has, over time, woven itself into the fabric of our cultural imagination. Our journey will take us through time, from the earliest whispers of this aquatic giant to the high-tech hunts of the present day. We'll delve into the tales that have shaped the Loch Ness monster's legacy and the eyes that have claimed to witness its existence. We'll explore the science, the myths, and the enduring allure of the unknown. So, hold on to your hats and prepare to dive with us into the murky waters of Loch Ness as we unravel the mystery of this legendary creature. The Loch Ness monster has been spotted numerous times, but what truth lies behind these claims? Throughout history, the elusive creature known as Nessie has been sighted by countless individuals. Let's take a journey back in time. Our first stop is in the 7th century, where an Irish monk named St. Columba reportedly saved a man from the monster's jaws. Fast forward to the early 20th century, the era that truly marked the beginning of Nessie's fame. In 1933, a couple claimed to have seen an enormous animal rolling and plunging on the surface. The news spread like wildfire, and the Loch Ness monster was catapulted onto the global stage. The following year brought us the infamous surgeon's photograph, supposedly capturing Nessie's head and neck. While later revealed to be a hoax, the image remained ingrained in the public's consciousness, becoming a symbol of the enduring mystery. Moving on to the 1960s, we encounter a plethora of sonar expeditions, with teams reporting unexplained readings beneath Loch Ness's murky depths. One notable expedition in 1968 even claimed to have detected a large moving object. The sightings didn't stop there. In the late 21st century, satellite images from popular mapping services led some to believe they had captured Nessie basking in the sunlight. And as recently as 2022, a man claimed to have caught the creature on film while out for a morning jog. But let's take a step back. Eyewitness testimonies and grainy photographs can be compelling, but they are also susceptible to misinterpretation and manipulation. It's crucial to consider the context in which these sightings occur, from the power of suggestion to the natural desire for a good story. So, are these accounts mere fabrications, or do they hold a grain of truth? As we delve deeper into the lore of the Loch Ness monster, we'll continue to question, to probe, and to explore the enchanting enigma that is Nessie. How has science attempted to explain the enigma of the Loch Ness monster? For decades, scientists and researchers have embarked on expeditions to Loch Ness, armed with a blend of skepticism and curiosity. These scientific explorations have employed a variety of methods, all aimed at shedding light on the mysteries of the loch. One of the most common tools in these expeditions has been sonar technology. By sending sound waves into the depths of the loch, researchers have hoped to detect any large unknown creatures lurking beneath the surface. While these sonar explorations have occasionally picked up intriguing anomalies, the readings are often attributed to schools of fish, floating debris, or even the wake of passing boats. But the studies didn't stop at sonar. In recent years, scientists have turned to a method known as environmental DNA analysis, or eDNA. This involves collecting and examining water samples from Loch Ness to detect traces of genetic material left behind by the creatures that inhabit it. If a monster were present in the loch, it could theoretically be detected through this method. However, the eDNA studies have so far only confirmed the presence of known species such as otters and seals. Scientists have also explored natural explanations for the alleged sightings of the monster. Some suggest that what witnesses are seeing could be large sturgeon or catfish, species known to grow to impressive sizes. Others propose that the sightings might be optical illusions, created by unusual wave patterns or floating logs. In the end, despite the extensive scientific investigations, the Loch Ness monster remains elusive. No definitive proof has been found to confirm its existence. Yet, the lack of evidence does not deter the hopeful and the curious. It seems that, for now, science has yet to solve the riddle of Loch Ness, keeping the legend alive. What common misconceptions surround the Loch Ness monster, and how can we debunk them? Let's dive into some of the most prevalent myths about Nessie. First up, the idea that a prehistoric plesiosaur somehow survived in Loch Ness. While it's a captivating thought, it's scientifically implausible. For one, the loch was frozen solid during the last ice age, a chilly fact that would have extinguished any Jurassic holdovers. Next, we have the infamous surgeon's photograph from 1934, a supposed snapshot of Nessie. However, this was later revealed to be a hoax, a toy submarine with a head and neck attached, bobbing in the water. And then there's the idea that sonar anomalies prove Nessie's existence. But marine experts explain that these can result from a variety of factors, including floating debris, schools of fish, or simply the loch's peaty, murky waters playing tricks on the equipment. Popular culture and media have played a significant role in perpetuating these misconceptions, often prioritizing sensationalism over scientific evidence. It's important to remember that while the idea of a hidden monster is thrilling, the reality is often more mundane. But don't let this dampen your fascination with Loch Ness. The loch remains an intriguing place of natural beauty and history. Its depths are still full of undiscovered secrets, just not of the monstrous kind. Myths, it seems, are as deep and murky as the waters of Loch Ness itself. Why does the legend of the Loch Ness monster continue to captivate us? It's a question that circles back to our innate human curiosity, our insatiable desire to explore the uncharted waters of our world and our minds. The Loch Ness monster, or Nessie as it's fondly called, is an embodiment of that curiosity, a symbol of the unexplained, the unexplored, the unknown. Our fascination with the Loch Ness monster goes beyond the confines of the Scottish Highlands, permeating into the collective consciousness of our global society. Despite numerous scientific investigations and countless attempts to debunk the myth, the allure of Nessie remains undiminished. This enduring fascination is more than just a desire to confirm the existence of a mythical creature. It's a testament to our inherent need to question, to challenge, to discover. When we delve into the depths of Loch Ness, we're not just searching for a monster. We're seeking to understand our world better, to push the boundaries of what we know, and to confront the mysteries that still elude us. In our quest for knowledge, we also find a sense of unity. The Loch Ness monster brings together people from different walks of life, sparking conversations, debates, and shared moments of wonder. As we continue to probe the mysteries of our world, the Loch Ness monster remains a captivating symbol of the unknown, lurking just beneath the surface. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the mysteries of the Loch Ness monster. Your enthusiasm and curiosity make these explorations truly meaningful. We want to hear your thoughts about Nessie. Do you believe in the Loch Ness monster? What do you think about the science and myths surrounding it? Comment below and share your thoughts. This is a community of mystery lovers, and your input is what keeps the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video and you're eager for more deep dives into the unknown, don't forget to hit the like button. You can also share this video with your friends and fellow mystery enthusiasts. Let's see what they think about Nessie. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. You'll find more intriguing content like this, and we promise, the mysteries only get deeper. Just hit the subscribe button and join our community of explorers. Until our next journey into the unknown, stay curious, keep exploring, and keep the mystery alive.